Greetings, my precious viewers. I am Nicola and welcome to the new tutorial. Today, I don't want to spend too much words in introduction. I'm going to say that if you want to develop a website with WordPress or to use the pure HTML and CSS and probably the JS, you must to know what the inspect tool or developer tool is. So I'm going to show you how you can inspect your own website or any other. So in the meantime, if you like this video so far, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the bell notification. Dong! Let's go. Here I have the footer project. I'm going to build this footer in HTML and CSS for you. Let's go on inspect tool and how to activate it. First, you can press right mouse click and click on inspect, or use Ctrl+Shift+I shortcut, or press F12 on your keyboard. This is the Google Chrome, but you can use Mozilla Firefox or Opera or Brave browser. Let's activate it. And this is your default inspect tool. And if you click here on toggle device toolbar, you can see that we have the resolution for our screen, and you can change this if you choose any font type here. And this is important because we need to adjust our layout, our content in websites for small screens, because the 70 or 80% visitors come from mobile or tablet. So if you click here on responsive, you can choose iPhone 5 and see how my footer looks like on this resolution or any other. Also, if you click here is the mobile S size, M, L, or tablet size. Here is the 768 pixels. Okay, laptop and large laptop and 4K. Here you can click on auto adjust zoom or choose your own zoom level, and here you can rotate your screen and see the landscape mode. Okay, now let's reverse to our little bit large screen, and here you can see the HTML for my footer. This is the CSS part, and in HTML you can see the whole code. For example, let's see our footer. This footer has the 4 divs with different classes. You can change this class and type, for example, ID, or you can change the ID and this part here. You can delete. Also, you can delete this division, for example. But keep in mind that these changes isn't permanent. They do just in your browser, but when you refresh your page, the informations will be reset. Okay, and what you can do with inspect tool, click here, and for example, I want to see some information about this word, and this is H2 tag with color of, you can see the hex code here, some pinkish shade, and font and margin. If you click here, this information pop up here, and you can enable it, disable it, or enable it. You can change it, or you can put your own values for it. Okay, or any other color. Sorry, for example, blue color. Here you can see the reset styling for my footer and so on. So, for example, you can see how I do this form, this little form here, and this button. Also, when you work with WordPress, let's see my portfolio page. If you have watched my previous tutorials, in my orange contact form, I built this tutorial because I know how to use the inspect tool and inspect the different classes in contact form plugin. Let me show you. Here you can see the all classes for contact form 7. This is the HTML for my page. And here we have input with type of text, and this is that classes. And here I can change the width, the background color. I can change also. Let's change to be a red one or so. But if I refresh my page, see, for example, if you want to change the color for this button, you can go in OceanWP theme in background settings in customizer and change for all buttons in theme. But I want to do that just for this button. I will use the inspect tool. What's wrong? Oh, this is here. This is my background color, and I can change it. Also, I will copy this whole part and paste it in my custom CSS and JS in Customizer, change the color and click on update and save it. Don't forget, before that, don't forget to install the child theme. I will put the link here in right corner. Now let me see, what can I show you now? If you want to know more about the inspect element tool and how I use it, you can see my other videos. I will show you it here, but I'm going to paste the links. I'm using the inspect tool for orange form. I think for, let me see, not here. Let me see the whole videos. For example, I use it here to make the header with menu sticky. I use here inspect element tool in this tutorial, how to create the side-by-side fields in CF7, yes, here also, and here in this tutorial I will put links, and you can do the exercises with inspect element tool or developer tool. Let's back here. For example, I want to change my text color for form here. Yes, text color. And I'm going to copy this part of code, and let's exit from this mode and click on customize. Let's wait a few seconds to open it. This is my menu. This is my CSS for portfolio, and here I will paste my class and change color to be red, but this without red. Why don't work? Let's overwrite the CSS and the default CSS, and this is it. Just click on publish and you will save your changes. Okay, now let's go to my another project in localhost. Yes, this is it, and let's log in like admin. I'm administrator of this page, of course, and let's go to see customizer. Yes, I use position fixed for site header to make this menu here sticky. Click, let's open the inspect tool. Also click on this arrow and click here. This is the header with ID of site header, and click on position fix. You see, if I remove this code, our menu doesn't fixed, and now it is. Okay, this is all for this part of tutorial. For example, with this responsive mode, you can change resolution here, and you can log from your PC to your Instagram account and add pictures. You can see my latest tutorial. I'm teaching about that. Okay guys, this is all for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed my video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support my work. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.